Imagine skipping traffic. Not on the road, but above it. The world's first real flying car, the Alef Model A, is here. And it's about to change everything you thought you knew about driving. The future has arrived, and it's no longer science fiction. The Alef Model A, 2025, has officially become the first ever flying car approved by the U.S. Federal Aviation Administration, changing how the world sees transportation forever. This vehicle represents a major leap forward. It's not just a car, not just an aircraft, but a bold statement of what mobility can be in the 21st century. The Model A blends futuristic technology, electric efficiency, and innovative design into one package that's already making global headlines. For car lovers, tech enthusiasts, and dreamers alike, this is the start of a brand new chapter in human travel. The Alef Model A looks like a sleek sports car at first glance, but beneath its aerodynamic, carbon fiber body lies revolutionary flight engineering. It's fully electric and designed for both road and air travel. On the ground, it drives like a normal car, following traffic laws and moving through city streets with zero emissions. But when traffic becomes unbearable or obstacles lie ahead, it can take off vertically, soar above congestion, and land safely at your next destination. That's the promise Alef Aeronautics has been working toward for over a decade, and now it's a reality. The Model A uses a unique flight system. Instead of folding wings, like traditional aircraft, it features a lightweight mesh frame that allows air to flow through hidden propellers inside the body. These propellers give it vertical takeoff and landing (VTOL) capability, similar to a drone. Once airborne, the car tilts on its side, flying forward while keeping the cabin stable for passengers. This engineering marvel enables the Alef to switch seamlessly from ground mode to air mode without needing a runway, making it ideal for dense cities and short-distance travel. One of the most impressive aspects of the Alef Model A is its eco-friendly powertrain. It runs entirely on electricity, aligning perfectly with the global push toward sustainability and zero-emission transport. The car's driving range is expected to be around 200 miles on the ground, while its flying range is approximately 110 miles per charge. That might sound limited now, but for urban commutes and regional hops, it's revolutionary. Plus, Alef has already hinted at future models with extended flight range and faster charging times, which could redefine what daily travel means. Inside the cabin, Alef keeps things futuristic yet simple. It seats 2 passengers comfortably, offering a panoramic view through its large windows. The interior design focuses on lightweight materials and digital controls, with a minimal dashboard that integrates flight and drive systems in a single interface. Everything is operated through touchscreens and voice commands, giving drivers a smooth transition between driving and flying modes. Safety is also a top priority, with built-in autopilot features for both ground and air navigation, collision detection, and emergency landing protocols. But perhaps what's most exciting about the Alef Model A is its accessibility. While early prototypes were expected to cost millions, Alef is targeting a retail price of around $300,000, which, though premium, is far less than traditional aircraft or helicopters. The company has already received thousands of pre-orders from tech investors, enthusiasts, and even urban commuters who want to experience the freedom of flying over traffic. The Model A is expected to begin limited deliveries by late 2025, with wider availability planned as production scales up. The FAA's approval is a huge step forward, but it's only the beginning. Governments and cities around the world are now working on updating airspace, regulations, and infrastructure to support flying vehicles. Alef's success could spark a new wave of competition, with companies like Xpeng Aero HT, Joby Aviation, and Aircar also developing their own versions of flying vehicles. In just a few years, we could see designated sky lanes for personal air transport, vertiports for takeoffs and landings, and a complete transformation of how people move in cities. Imagine a future where you leave home, get stuck in rush hour traffic, and instead of waiting, you lift off into the sky. You bypass the gridlock, glide smoothly toward your destination, and land right outside your workplace or home, all in a single vehicle. That's the lifestyle Alef promises with the Model A. It's more than a car. It's a glimpse into the next era of freedom and innovation. For the team behind Alef Aeronautics, this dream started in Silicon Valley with a small group of engineers inspired by science fiction, classics like Back to the Future. Today, their creation has turned imagination into reality. They've proven that the dream of a real flying car isn't just possible, it's here. And as production begins, the world is watching closely. The 2025 Alef Model A isn't just an invention. It's a revolution in motion. It's the first step toward merging the skies and the streets, connecting cities and redefining personal mobility for generations to come. From ground to sky, it symbolizes the evolution of human travel. Cleaner, smarter, and limitless. This is A for Auto, and you just witnessed the future take flight.